Hi guys, so today I come with another new video. A lot of people were requesting me these things, and today I come to drop mixing titles. Have you ever imagined yourself like you're making a YouTube video and you decide just one day, hey, I'm gonna like do a mixing title for some minute or like a second, you know what I'm saying? But today I'm coming with titles which mix. So I'm gonna give you the things that I'm gonna be talking about right now and right this moment. Let's check it out. 1. How to make slime. Number 2, how to grow your YouTube channel so faster and quick. Number 3, how to get your first 1,000 followers in Instagram. Today I'm talking 3 things in this mix title. So these are the mix title that I'll be talking about. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it like helps you, okay? Because I got messages from my Instagram, especially DM in my Instagram. Someone was asking me, hey Ash, so how comes do you have 2,000 followers? What did you do? And you can really unfollowing a lot of people, so that's how I even benefited in getting 2,000 followers. And the other one was, what's up nigger? So how did you get like, so how do slime like, how do you make slime? The easiest job of making slime is how do you slime? I was like, yeah, I know slime, how it looks like. So guys, the pics slime, the people who do not know slime, the pics are gonna be like they'll be coming. If you've never seen a slime before, like check me in the other video, the pics gonna be shown there. And before I even continue this video, definitely always have shout outs. Yo! So much. And I told you guys, if you want shoutouts, please turn on the post notifications. Today I have only one shoutout. So this chick just managed today being her lucky day. Hey guys, happy Sunday and happy International Gift Day. I'll continue with my shoutouts. So shout out goes to Masha Reys. Thanks for staying in the family and I love you so much. So follow her, Masha Reys, at Instagram, guys. She's called Danu. If you're a camper in the house, all the campers, you're welcome because she's one of a camper, a beautiful lady chick. I'm not gonna show the pic. I'm just gonna say Masha Reys and that's a shout out. Yo, so I'm gonna save time in doing this video because I want my video to like 10 minutes, the highest, and like 6 minutes and below. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to keep like, hey, just I am like filming and some people are like hurried to go somewhere. Today I'm actually free and you can see my work. Anyway, so let's get to the point of what I was saying. 1. How to make slime. So I'm going to teach you how to make slime using Colgate plus sugar. So this is how it is. You take Colgate, of which I don't have right now, put a little bit on our bowl or a small container, then take sugar like half a spoon of it or like a full spoon, a small full spoon of it. Mix it with the Colgate. Mix it nicely, mix it until they get mixed. And then the second thing, leave them after 2 hours, and after 2 hours it's gonna be slime. Like it's gonna be a whole thing huge, like plasticine. Oh my god, that word is hard. Plasticine, and then it's gonna be so stretchy, like flexible. So that is how you do it. Okay, the pics of the slime of how they look like are gonna show right this moment, so don't miss it out. Let's go to number 2. Number 2. Anyway, how to grow your YouTube channel faster. Hey, if you've not checked my recent video that is actually stayed for 1 week, I made a video of how to get your first 100 subscribers and how to grow your YouTube channel and how to start. Be on the description below if you want to check that video, and please go in my description and click the link to check the new video. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel first, definitely you have to know, like, it's obvious that you have to share your video, and I'm going to tell you 2 apps that I use to edit my videos and one that I stopped editing. I was long time ago editing with InShot. It's not available in editing. Like, it's not good when you edit InShot your YouTube videos, like you edit with InShot. I think so it works. But right now I edit with KineMaster. I can call it that way. You see my videos up like reading KineMaster and whatever. That is the app right now that I use to edit my videos, which is so good. It all depends with the quality of your camera too. Then number 2, you can use Filmorago. It'll help you grow your YouTube channel because of the way the videos look so clear and just bright and fantastic. I love the lighting for today. I look so bright. Have you seen that? Let's go to number 3. Number 3. How to get your first 1,000 followers in Instagram. As I told you before, as I was talking, there's someone in my Instagram DM who actually just sent me a message suddenly. That person was asking me, and he was a guy, probably the name definitely. I don't even know that person, is a stranger, definitely. But he just said like, hey Ash, so how do you get your like 2,000 followers in Instagram? How do you manage it? For me, I got only like 154 followers, and I finally had to reach even like 900 up, nearly to 1,000. So I was like, don't worry guy, you're gonna reach there. Actually, I have entered Instagram in the year 2016 most probably, and right now I've actually stated like it's like an year, you see. And some people enter like long time ago and they have not even imagined reaching that sector of like 1,000 followers or even 2,000 followers. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I manage my 2,000 followers. It's easy. You follow the more you follow people, the more you're gonna get your more followers, and it depends on the quality of your pictures. I apologize to that. Anyway, it depends on the quality of your pictures. So if the quality of your pictures is not that good, if it's blurred pictures and the pictures look so small and so like not clear to be seen, definitely you're not gonna get followers, because the someone who wants to follow who will be like, hey, so I don't see interesting in this, like, so clear. You should have clear pictures. Definitely that is always there. Like the way my YouTube video is now, I'm clear, like it's not blur or something of the sort. It depends on the quality of your phone cam too. You should actually try to use an iPhone for this. It depends on your pics. Learn to make your pics more fashion. You know, you can go for the photo shoot and it'll be old. So even me, I don't even go to photo shoot. I know photo shoot, whatever, photo shoot. Anyway, photo shoot that much, but I know how to make my look so fantastic. As you pose, you can make a flower here, a rose one, and just pose for it and make it so good. You can take a cup of coffee, or you even just put it on the table and say, my day, like my Monday, though Monday is always worse, I'm gonna start with doing something like whatever. I'm just instead. Anyway, so I'm just saying, so that is how to get your more followers. Just try to like improve on your pics and how like you capture your pics and all that, and try to follow more people, you'll get more followers. So let's get to the next video. Hey guys, so that comes the end of my video. If you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Subscribe for more videos, please. Bring you more fun videos. Today's video that I made, I've told just like I'm talking about 3 things: make slime and how to grow first in your YouTube channel. Number 3, how to get like your first 1,000 followers in Instagram. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm bringing more fun videos, and you may feel free to comment down below for any suggestions. I'll be waiting. Once more again, my name is Ashley Keiller, which forms the AKN farm team, you know. So this is Team Farm, Team Ashley Keiller Valley. Thanks for staying in the farm. Whoa! I think it's time to vote it out. Vote it out. We're gonna vote it out. Go Ash A, go Ash A, go Ash A, go Ash A. What cheese. Bye guys.